Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Hope all are safe. Now, in the last class, we have finished the lesson. I have given you the question answers and the exercise up to E. Now, C I did not give you all. C is to complete the table to sum up the story. Now, 3 columns are given there. When the author met Poe, where they met, and what Poe did for the author. First one is done there for you. Second one, now when the author met Poe, he was 2 years old. Now where did they meet? They met in Taipei, Taiwan. And what Poe did for the author at that time? Poe used to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, prepare the medicine and make him drink it. And she continued to do this for 8 months till he was cured. Then next is the short visit. He came for short visits to Taipei, Taiwan again. And what did Poe do? Poe would gift them many food items, clothes and toys. And the next time Poe comes to visit the author, she came to the United States of America. The place is San Francisco in USA. She came there, and what did she carry with her? She brought him a Chinese pastry, a 30-pound Chinese pastry. She carried it in hand so that it will not be smashed. It will look nice and fresh when she meets the author. Now answer with reference to the context. We'll see each other again sooner than you think. Who said these words and to whom? Yes, Poe said these words to the author. Now why did the speaker say these words? Now the speaker said these words because she was also feeling very sad to leave the author. The author also was feeling very sad. Both of them loved each other very much, and they were not going to meet each other for some time. But she said, I will meet you sooner than you think. Now the next one is, find a line in the story that tells us how the speaker was feeling when he or she said these words. However, I decided some shakiness in her voice and tears in her eyes. That is the line which tells you that she was very loving towards the author. Now there is only one think and answer we are going to do. Second one, don't want children. How did Poe feel about the author? Describe at least 2 incidents from the story that show Poe's feelings towards the author. Yes, in that Poe loved the author very much. And you remember when he had the nose bleeding problem, she got up at 4 o'clock in the morning, had to prepare the medicine and then make him drink it. For 8 months, she continued to look after the baby till he was cured. So that shows her love for the child. Then another instance, when she came to America, she brought with her a 30-pound. The pastry weighed about 30 pounds. And she carried it in hand as she was in her flight. Yes, she carried it in her hand so that if she kept it inside a box or kept it in a suitcase, it will all be spoiled and smashed. So it won't look fresh and neat. So she carried it in hand, brought it especially for the author. So these 2 incidents show us that Poe loved the author very much. And one thing I want to tell you children, do you love your grandparents? Yes? Do you help them? Do you talk to them? Or you just ignore them? You don't mind, you don't listen to what they say. Remember, they looked after you when you were small. Even now, when your mothers go for work, your fathers go for work, your grandparents are the ones who are looking after you, isn't it? So when you grow up, you should pay back what they have done for you. You should thank them for what they have done for you when you were a child, isn't it? And how can you thank them? By being nice to them, by talking to them, by listening to what they have to say, by doing small things for them, isn't it? So don't forget, love your grandparents also. Now play with the words. In the worksheet, add A, B, L, E, F, U, L or L, Y to the words in capitals and make new words. You may have to make some changes in the spellings and put a cross where words cannot be made. So, 3 columns are given there, one for A, B, L, E, one for F, U, L and the other one for L, Y. Now, the first one is power. Power, you cannot say powerable. The correct word is powerful. Second one is predict, that is predictable. Third one, happy, happily. Sorry, third one is force, forceful. Fourth one, free, freely. Fifth one, believe, believable. Sixth one, dreamy, dreamily. Seventh one, truth, truthful. And the last one, eighth one, accept, acceptable. So, only some words we are able to form new words using A, B, L, E. Some words we are able to form using F, U, L and the other words using L, Y. Now, exercise I. Use the clues to make words that end with the given letters. First one is done there for you. The part of the body that controls the memory, that is your brain. Second one, the small hard seed of the food plants, that is called the grain, G-R-A-I-N. Third one, the part of a day when it is dark outside, that is night, number 3. Then number 4, something which is not loose, that is tight, T-I-G-H-T. 5, got something by paying money for it, that is bought, B-O-U-G-H-T. Then 6, found doing something wrong, that is caught, C-A-U-G-H-T. Then number 7, you should not keep birds in this, that is cage, C-A-G-E. And the last one, 8, money paid to people for the work they do, that is wage, W-A-G-E. Now, the next exercise, work in groups of 4. That don't want children. Now, we will do K. Read the words aloud. Circle the words where the letters CH make the K sound. So, some words are given there. Technology, chorus, chap, cheap. Now, you have to circle the words in which CH has got the K sound. For example, the first one, technology. In that, CH is pronounced as K, isn't it? You can hear the sound of K, the letter K, technology. Then next one, chorus. There also it is K sound. Then chap, no. Cheap, no. Chair also you cannot say. But mechanic, mechanic. There it is K sound. Then next one, orchestra. For orchestra also CH is having the K sound. Chase, no. Chemist, chemist is correct. Chemist, CH is having the K sound. Chapter, no. Chat, no. Chart, no. But echo, echo is CH is K sound and cheetah is no. Anchor, anchor is correct. There it is K sound for CH. Now, next is prepositions. Now, what are prepositions? They are small words which connect nouns or pronouns to the other words in a sentence. All of you all use prepositions in your sentences, but you all don't know what it is, isn't it? For example, in, of, to, yes, into, down, near. All these are prepositions which you commonly use in a sentence. Now, example, exercise L, tick the correct answers in the brackets. 1. Susie's house stood on the hill overlooking the lake. 3 options are there, in, on and by. On is the correct one. Second one, Jitendra's parents had gone on, for or to the market. So, the answer is to the market, on, for or to shop, to shop. Third one, Hina packed her lunch and set out for school. 4. A villager told Sarovar that it was a long way to the next town. 5. Rooney heard a sound and saw the goat beside her. 6th one, I go for tennis practice early in the morning. Then M, work in pairs. Put a slash where a preposition is missing and then read the sentence aloud with the correct preposition. So in these sentences the prepositions are missing. So you have to add it in the correct place. Number 1, Po took great care me. So in that, where does the preposition come between care and me? So Po took great care of me. Of is the preposition used there. Second one, my mother always goes a walk after dinner. There also the preposition is missing between the words goes and a. Goes for a walk. Third one, there is too much salt the buttermilk. Here it comes between salt and the. In the buttermilk. 4. The goldfish was swimming dash the bowl. In the bowl. 5. Place the photo frame the right side the telephone. Here we need two prepositions. One is coming between frame and the. So frame on the right side of the telephone. 6th one, the angry man shouted, get out here. So the correct preposition comes there is get out of here. 7, Payal jumped her bicycle and rode away. Here the preposition comes between jumped and her. So jumped onto her bicycle. 8th one, the door was opened my cousin Ritu. Opened by my cousin Ritu. 9. Rekha celebrated her birthday her friends. So Rekha celebrated her birthday with her friends. And the 10th one, the teacher said there would be a science test Monday. So there the preposition comes between test and Monday. The teacher said there would be a science test on Monday. So next is the grammar part. Page 46 children. Here also prepositions. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.